Wedding planning checklist. Things to do once you make the decision to get married. Tell family and friends about your decision. Create a wedding planning folder to save and organize your ideas. Open a wedding gifts registry. Decide on the kind of wedding you want, style, location, time, guest list. Set wedding budget and who pays for what. Start a wedding savings account. Choose wedding date range together with your partner. Draft the wedding day guest list with input from both families. Choose and ask your wedding party. Start researching wedding planners, venues and photographer. Things to do 12 months before wedding day. Choose and book your wedding planner, if desired. Create a budget spreadsheet to keep track of vendor payments made and due dates. Meet with your favorite photographers and videographers. Start researching wedding officiant or meet with your religious leaders. Begin dress, suits research and book visits to try on gowns, suits. Start researching honeymoon destinations and flights. Choose and book wedding venue. If you want a specific entertainer, DJ, start looking into their availability. Create a physical and emotional health plan. Things to do 9 to 11 months before wedding day. Have an engagement shoot if you want one. Determine your wedding's color palette and theme. Start researching catering and bar services if your venue does not offer them. Start researching decor specialists, lighting specialists and florist. Create a wedding website. Start researching stationery designers. Design and order save the date cards. Reserve a block of rooms for out-of-town guests. Book wedding night accommodation. Book officiant, confirm religious leader. Research marriage license and residency requirements if you're getting married abroad. If wearing an heirloom gown, clean and schedule alterations. Partner selects tuxedos and/or book alterations if needed. Decide on outfits for the wedding party and book fittings if needed. Start researching hair and makeup artists. Start researching cake designers. Things to do 7 to 8 months before wedding day. Mail save the date cards. Delegate agreed responsibilities to groom. Contact lighting, furniture and party rentals if needed. If you're getting married at home, talk to your gardener about landscaping. Research wedding customs and traditions. Things to do 6 months before wedding day. Book baker and decide on cake design, flavor and style. Book florist or select a flower vendor if you decide to DIY and determine overall style for personal flowers and decor. Book photographer and videographer. Book caterer and start menu, dessert and beverage planning. Book DJ, entertainer for both ceremony and reception. Book decor specialists and start working on your designs. Finalize guest list and mailing addresses. Discuss ceremony service with officiant, religious leader. Order wedding dress and undergarments. Book day of transportation for the bride, groom and bridal party. Book honeymoon accommodation and flight. Go for first dress fitting. Things to do 4 to 5 months before the wedding day. Meet with hair and makeup stylists to discuss ideas. Confirm that each bridesmaid and groomsman has ordered his/her outfit. Send guest list to maid of honor or hosts of bridal shower, bachelor and bachelorette parties. Order wedding invitations and envelopes. Draft wedding program information. Order wedding rings. Create song playlists and select first dance and other special dance songs. Schedule wedding rehearsal with officiant and wedding party. Purchase wedding accessories for you and the wedding party, jewelry, headpieces etc. Things to do 3 months before the wedding day. Order or make wedding favors. Plan rehearsal dinner. Finalize flower arrangements for personal flowers, ceremony and reception decor. Purchase guest book or guest book alternatives for guest notes. Research signature drink options. Order wedding programs, menus and other stationery items needed. Request time off from work for your honeymoon. Attend pre-marriage counseling or classes, if required. Finalize the order of your reception, speeches, toasts, first dance, bouquet toss, cake cutting, getaway etc. Mail your wedding invitations. Things to do 2 months before wedding day. Meet with photographer and videographer to discuss shots. Double-check all bookings and appointments with your venues and vendors. As RSVPs come in, update your guest list accordingly. Schedule hair and makeup trial. Schedule a tasting with your caterer and confirm reception menu. Purchase gift for wedding party, groom and parents as a thank you. Attend bridal shower. Write and mail bridal shower thank you notes. Start drafting wedding vows if you are writing your own. Get your marriage license. Have second dress fitting. Ensure all guests have replied to the RSVP, follow up with any guests you have not heard from. Draft seating chart and order place cards. Things to do 1 month before wedding day. Review ceremony details with your officiant. Update caterer with final guest count and meal preferences if required. Pick up wedding dress and bridesmaid dresses. Start breaking in your wedding shoes. Pick up wedding rings and make sure they fit. Have final meeting with officiant, photographer and videographer. Reconfirm delivery details for cake, flowers and rentals. Confirm honeymoon bookings. Have your bachelor and bachelorette parties. Pack an emergency kit for wedding day. Assign wedding week and wedding day responsibilities, e.g. cleanup, transportation etc. Assemble guest room gifts for out-of-town guests. Schedule groom's haircut for the week before the wedding. Things to do 1 week before wedding day. Have groom and groomsmen pick up their tuxedos, suits. Send reception location manager final seating chart and drop off seating cards, decor, favors, guest book and other items for reception. Write out the day of timeline and give to your photographer, videographer, caterer, wedding party and other helpers. Pack for your honeymoon. Give your itinerary to close family members in case of emergency. Deliver guest room gifts to hotel. Have a manicure and pedicure. Have a relaxing massage. Things to do 1 day before wedding day. Have a wedding rehearsal with the wedding party, followed by a rehearsal dinner. Drop off ceremony accessories like programs, unity candle etc. at ceremony site. Give parents thank you gifts. Things to do on wedding day. Pack the car with your overnight bag and honeymoon luggage. Make sure your emergency kit is easily accessible at all times. Get your hair and makeup done, styled. Give groomsmen and bridesmaids thank you gifts. Take a copy of your wedding vows to the wedding venue, if you're writing your own. Take your airline tickets and passports to the wedding venue if you're leaving for your honeymoon from reception. Take your marriage license to the wedding venue. Take your wedding bands and ring bearer pillow along to the wedding venue. Have a beautiful celebration.